Brotherhood of the Eternal Light, teaching the Western mysteries. VideoPedia of Western spirituality. The Golem. The Golem is a being created by magic. According to legend, Rabbi Judah Lev created a golem in Prague in the 17th century to protect the Jewish community from the prevailing calumnies. At that time, Jews throughout Europe were unjustly accused of preparing their Passover bread with the blood of Christian children. People brought bodies of dead children into Jewish neighborhoods at night to prove the alleged accusations. With his son-in-law and his favorite student, Rabbi Lev, formed a figure of a giant man out of clay. Finally, they brought him to life with the help of the Book of Formation, the Sefer Yetzirah, and with creative power of the Hebrew letters. The golem could hear and understand what was said to it, but it could not speak. Rabbi Lev hung a talisman around the golem so that it could roam the streets of Prague unnoticed and thus protect the Jewish community from the calumnies. The golem protected the Jewish community in this way for several years, until it was finally proven that they were innocent and it was forbidden to make these accusations. Rabbi Lev therefore decided to take away the golem's breath of life, and the golem became lifeless clay again. The golem, of course, was not a real human being throughout his life. He was a thought form and had only a nefesh, that is, emotional soul, but no ruach, that is, mental soul, thus no consciousness. By the way, according to the legend, the clay remains of the golem are said to be in the attic of the Prague Altnau synagogue, which is still preserved. This summary about the golem is a simple and short version of the whole story. In several versions of this legend, the golem gets out of control of Rabbi Lev. By the way, you can find a translation of the Sefer Yetzirah in English and more about the golem and the mysteries of creation, or a practical guide to make a golem in the book Kabbalistic Magic by Salomo Baal Shem. Please keep in mind that this is advanced Kabbalistic magic that should only be used with or learned from an experienced expert in practical Kabbalah. A golem is also a kind of astral guardian. Creating such an astral guardian requires a deep knowledge and at the same time contains some risks. In the advanced levels of our Haganat HaNefesh spiritual self-defense training, you can learn how to safely and successfully create such an astral guardian. Write to us in the comments what fascinates you most about the legend of the golem. Did you like the video? Then feel free to leave us a like. By the way, if you're interested in the mysteries of creation, you are welcome to join our online or face-to-face courses and events to learn more about Kabbalah and the Western mysteries. See you soon!